All right, somehow we have done it. Somehow we have loaded the car up, so we could not do it over here. We had to go under this tunnel to get dry pavement to pull this car up, because once I hit a little bit of snow, it was not pulling up on the trailer. So I got it mounted. Hope for the best. Time to make it home. Oh, look at that. Cruising right in the garage. Oh, it feels good. That was an adventure. That was an adventure. I can't believe we just did that. We just drove 20 miles, 8 inches of snow, 18 degrees outside, and we just got this Reno in the garage.